In today's dynamic economy, having multiple streams of income has become essential for financial stability and growth. Side hustles and passive incomes offer individuals opportunities to supplement their earnings, pursue their passions, and achieve greater financial freedom. From leveraging digital platforms to tapping into personal skills and hobbies, there's a myriad of avenues to explore. Let's delve into some innovative side hustle ideas to make extra money in 2024, ranging from monetizing a YouTube channel to creating and selling handmade goods online. Whether you're aiming for additional income or seeking to turn your hobbies into profitable ventures, these ideas provide diverse options to suit various interests and lifestyles. Without further ado, let's dive into the enriching content brought to you by Everyday Elevate. But before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos and join a community dedicated to personal and financial growth. Now, let's delve into the video and embark on a journey of learning, inspiration, and elevation together. 1. Generate revenue from a YouTube channel. YouTube boasts an enormous audience of 2.7 billion users, tuning in for 1 billion hours of content daily. You can harness this vast viewership by enrolling in the YouTube Partner Program, allowing you to earn revenue from ads displayed during your videos. However, it's important to note that building a substantial viewer base takes time, and solely relying on ad revenue may not suffice. That's why many content creators explore alternative monetization avenues. Beyond the Partner Program, there are various methods to generate income on YouTube. Consider collaborating with brands to feature their products in your videos, earning either a fee or a percentage of sales. Alternatively, direct your audience to purchase items from your own online store. To get started, create compelling videos and shorts tailored to your target audience. As your subscriber count grows, explore additional monetization strategies such as selling merchandise and partnering with affiliates. 2. Offer digital products for sale. Digital products encompass items solely accessible online, including downloadable or streamable files like MP3s, PDFs, videos, and technical assets. Utilize your current skills to establish a side hustle centered around crafting digital products. This could involve developing educational ebooks tailored to your industry, creating bespoke music or visuals, or designing various digital templates. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, consider how websites constantly seek distinctive fonts and visually appealing page layouts to distinguish themselves. To proceed, once you've crafted your product, establish an online storefront to reach potential customers. Boost visibility by promoting your offerings on social media platforms, offering enticing incentives such as free samples or discount codes to entice potential buyers. 3. Take on the role of a tutor. Engaging in teaching can be highly fulfilling, especially with the accessibility provided by online platforms such as Cambly, TutorOcean, Preply, and Learn2Be. The ease of becoming an online tutor has opened up new opportunities, with even students offering services like test preparation and homework assistance. This taps into a growing market, projected to expand at a rate of 5.2% annually until 2027. To maximize the profitability of your tutoring side hustle, consider developing an online course. Although it requires significant initial effort, once established, an online course can generate passive income consistently. For your next steps, pinpoint the subjects or skills you excel in, and then seek out students on tutoring platforms or through local educational institutions. 4. Transport packages to their destinations. If you find yourself with spare time and access to a vehicle, consider embarking on a side hustle as a delivery driver. One of the perks of this role is its flexibility. You have the freedom to dictate your working hours and accept delivery assignments according to your availability. To initiate this venture, begin by registering with a service such as Amazon Flex. Once you've completed the registration process, you can commence selecting time slots that align with your schedule. 5. Launch a podcast. Podcasting has become an integral part of the online content landscape, much like social media and blogging. Notably, podcast audiences have been steadily expanding each year. What's appealing about podcasting is its affordability. You can start with minimal investment. For instance, a decent USB microphone tailored for podcasting typically costs less than $100, and recording software like Audacity is both free and user-friendly. To kickstart your podcasting journey, begin by identifying a theme or topic that resonates with your intended audience. Record several episodes in advance and strategize your launch campaign. As your audience grows, consider integrating advertisements or sponsorships to transform your podcast into a profitable side hustle. 6. Create and market your own t-shirt designs. If you're passionate about design, print-on-demand ventures offer enjoyable and low-risk side hustles. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Gelato enable you to effortlessly upload custom designs onto t-shirts, which are then printed and shipped upon purchase. This eliminates the need for large upfront inventory investments. 7. Offer your home or spare room for rent. You're already dedicating time and energy to upkeep your home. Why not turn it into a source of income? Renting out your entire home or even just a spare room presents a significant opportunity for earning extra money. Platforms such as Airbnb, VRBO, Agoda, and Plum Guide, exclusive to the UK, streamline the process of listing short-term rentals, making it easy to get started. To take your side hustle to the next level, consider offering products to your guests. Utilize Shopify collabs to earn commissions on items your guests might find appealing. For instance, if your guests love the soap provided in your bathroom, why not place a QR code there linking directly to a purchase page? It's a simple yet effective way to maximize your earnings. 8. Provide digital marketing services. The rise of online businesses has sparked an ongoing need for digital marketing services. Entrepreneurs frequently seek freelancers capable of handling tasks such as content creation, social media management, website optimization, and beyond. To capitalize on this market demand, promote your services on freelancer platforms. Additionally, consider crafting a demonstration website to highlight your skills or compiling a portfolio showcasing your past projects. This strategic approach can help you attract clients and establish yourself as a trusted digital marketing expert. Overall, the landscape of side hustles offers a vast array of opportunities for individuals seeking to bolster their income, explore their passions, and carve out their own path to financial independence. From leveraging digital platforms to monetizing skills and hobbies, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're drawn to content creation, e-commerce, service-based ventures, or creative pursuits, there's a side hustle suited to your interests and lifestyle. By taking inspired action and embracing the entrepreneurial spirit, you can unlock new avenues for growth and prosperity in 2024 and beyond. So why wait? Start your side hustle journey today and seize the opportunities that await you. Let's elevate your side hustle game together with Everyday Elevate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel now and hit that thumbs up button to join a community dedicated to personal and financial growth. We're diving into the hottest side hustle ideas for 2024, from YouTube monetization to crafting and selling handmade goods online. Don't miss out on the chance to turn your passions into profits and achieve financial freedom. Subscribe, like, and let's embark on this journey of learning and elevation together.